Hi guys, welcome back to Rockin with Charlotte, and today we're going to be talking about autism and what it means to be different. I'm rockin', looking so cute. I'm rockin' with Charlotte and you. It's okay to be different. You don't need to make fun of people if they're different. It's okay if you're different. So autism means that some people with autism can't talk and some people with autism can talk.
Autism is a developmental disability. It typically occurs in early childhood and it impacts a person's social skills, communication, relationships, and the ability to self-regulate. To learn more about autism and for more resources, please visit autism-society.org.
I wish that my brother was here. What should we do? Maybe I can use my magic to magic him here. My brother's here! Yay! And he has autism. What are you doing? What are you doing? Face down.
Tell us about how old is Philip?
He's 10 years old.
Well, actually, let's see if he'll tell us. We'll get his speech device, okay?
This is Dynavox, and that he uses to talk.
Hi, Rockin friends. My name is Jordan. I am 10 years old. I communicate using this computer. I love pizza. It is my favorite food.
Jordan, what's your favorite color?
Color.
Is it red? That's not, but is it red?
What's
red.
your favorite color?
Red.
Yep.
Bye, Rockin friends.
Hey.
They're sitting wheelchairs, and others can't see, and others can't hear, and it's okay to be different, and it's not okay to make fun of people.
Hi, Rockin' friends. We wanted to make this video to introduce Charlotte's brother Jordan and to show a little bit about what autism means to our family. Autism can be a little confusing for our younger ones at home. Autism.sesamestreet.org is a great resource for younger kids to watch with their parents. They have resources for grandparents, siblings, teachers, and the whole entire family. It's important to understand that not one person on the autism spectrum are alike. Some like loud noises, some don't like loud noises. Some like hugs, some don't. Each person is different, and it is okay to be different. The world would be pretty boring if we were all the same. We're going to post links for different resources down in the description box, including the link to where you can research speech devices. Thanks for watching, Rockin' friends. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.